So
Hi Ben, what's going on?
we're machining some parts. I'm making motor adapter plates.
Where are we?
We're in the Hacker Dojo hardware cave. Currently making this piece on the CNC. Look at it go. Fascinating, isn't it? Very good old make it a circle.
Very cool. Very fun to watch. What's the computer doing over here?
Well, the computer is running the control codes. This is G code. It's kind of the same as a Gerber file.
Okay, so where were we again? You're on the computer screen? No, just back to the computer screen.
Alright, okay, so this is the control computer. It has this nice trackball with no scroll wheel, so we can't zoom in on the part, but this is the 3D preview of the part. And lots of buttons and more buttons and more buttons. And I don't know what all these buttons do, but there are a lot of buttons on this thing. Yeah, so it's a computer. It runs code.
What kind of code?
NC code.
That's like a Gerber file.
So here's an example. It has lots of G1s and then XYZ coordinates. G1